Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a plastic water bottle in Autodesk Inventor using the Autodesk Inventor surfacing commands. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the exit plane. Rotate this view. Now from here we will select the 3-point arc and make arc profile over here. Go to dimension. This arc will be of radius 75 mm. Okay. And from center point, the center of this arc will be at a distance of 50 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now go to vertical command or vertical constraint. This is the vertical constraint. Select this center point and select the center point of the arc. So it will be vertically aligned with respect to center point. Now go to line command. Make a vertical line joining at center and make a horizontal line. Escape. Now select both the lines and make them construction geometry. Okay. Now go to mirror command, select this arc, go to mirror line and select this horizontal line. Apply and done. Okay. So this will be the profile. Now go to arc command once again and select 3-point arc. Select this point and select this point. Okay. Go to dimension. The dimension of this arc will be radius 35 mm. Escape. Go to coincident. Select the center point of this arc and select the overall center point. Okay. Now escape. Select this arc. Go to mirror. From here select mirror. Go to mirror line and select this vertical line and apply. Done. Now drag this and from here go to extend and select here, extend and select here. Escape. Okay. Till here. So it is matching. Okay. Now we'll go to fillet command. Take here a fillet of 10 radius. Select this and select this. Select this two. Select these two and select these two. Okay. So it will be a perfect round profile over here. Now finish sketch. Now we will construct a new plane. So go to plane, select the offset from plane. From origin, we will select the top plane, the exit plane, and here we will give an offset distance of 100 mm. Now you can see the new plane and OK. Now select on this plane, go to create sketch. Go to rotation. Now go to circle command, select the center point and here make a circle of dia 35 mm. Okay. Finish sketch. Now we will make the side profiles for surfacing or the ribs. Now from here we will select the XY plane. This will be the front view. Go to create sketch, rotate it. Now go to project geometry, project this circle and project this. Okay. And escape. Now select this projected line, make it construction and select this projected line, make it construction. Only the sketch which we will make will be in solid, rest all the projections will be in construction line. Now go to arc command, select this top, and here select this outer. Go to front view, place it over here. Now define the radius, go to dimension, define its radius as 205 mm. Okay, now it is fully defined. Finish sketch. Now we will make this side profile. So we have made this profile first. Now we will make this curve profile. So go to XY plane once again. Go to create sketch. Again we will project the profiles. So go to project geometry, project upper circle, and this profile. Escape. Select this construction geometry. Similarly select this. Make it construction geometry. Now go to front view. Here go to line command first. Make a vertical line. Escape. Now go to arc command and here make one arc and make one more arc over here and the third arc. Rotate the view and join it till bottom. Okay, and give this profile. Front view. Now escape. The top line which we have made is a reference line, so select this, make it a construction geometry. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this arc and this arc, select this arc and this arc. Now all of them are tangent, select this and this. Okay, escape. Now drag this down and drag this. Now go to dimension. This arc have the radius of 75 mm and this has a radius of 15 and this a radius of 90. Okay, now as you can see it is not in a proper dimensioning, so the dia of this, so this will be like this. You can drag it. Now go to dimension. This is the center point of the bottommost arc, the 90 radius. Select this and select the center point. Here give a distance of 50 mm. Okay, and escape. Now it is fully defined sketch. Rotate the view. So this will be the side profile first. Okay, now finish sketch. Now we will make the right side profiles. We will work on the right side. These profiles which we will make, rotate this. So we will make this profile, this and this. Rotate it. Now you can just hide these two sketches. Sketch 3 and 4. Right click and turn off the visibility. We have working with these two. Now go to 2D sketch and select the YZ plane. Rotate the view. Go to project geometry. Select upper circle and select this arc. Okay. Escape. Select both these projected lines. Select this and this also. Make them construction geometry. Now go to arc command. Select this top and select this outer profile. Go to right view and make one arc. Go to dimension. The radius of this arc here will be 355. Okay, and finish. Similarly, we will make one more sketch. So go to 2D sketch, select the YZ plane, rotate the view, project this point, and here project this arc, escape. Select this, make it construction, right view, go to arc command, select this top, rotate and select this outer and place it over here. Go to dimension, radius of 355 mm and finish sketch. Okay, now we are finished with the sketching part. Select this plane, right click, turn off its visibility. Now we will turn on these two, turn on visibility of sketch 3 and sketch 4. Okay, so this will be the front view sketches and this will be the right view sketches. Okay, now the part of surfacing will start. So from here go to loft and here select surface loft. Select this upper circle and select this bottom profile. You can see the loft profile, but we want to guide along these rails. So from here select rails, click to add, select this rail and select this rail. Okay, so it is aligned with these rails. In front view, rotate. For side view, select this rail and select this rail. Okay, and okay, so this will be the profile from front and from side. Now we will close this profile. So from here select boundary patch, select this top and select this bottom. Okay, we will select one by one. Go to boundary patch, select this top, apply, rotate, select this bottom, apply. Okay, go to home, rotate it. Okay, now we will stitch all these profile. Here select stitch surface, select this complete profile and apply. Now we'll complete the upper portion. So select this top face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 28 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude, extrude it up to a height of 13 mm and OK. Okay. Now go to view. From here, cut it into half section view and select the XY plane. Okay. Now you can see this bottle is not hollow, it is filled with material. From here and section view. So go to 3D model and from here go to shell command. Take a thickness of shell as 2 mm and select this top face. Okay. So we will accept this, accept. Now we will apply the radius, or first I will show you the hollow profile. Go to view again. From here go to half section and select the XY plane once again. Okay, now you can see it is a hollow profile. Go back and section view. Now go to 3D model and from here select fillet and here take a fillet of radius 5 mm and select this bottom edge. Apply. Okay. Now change the radius to 2 mm. Go to selection and select this and apply. Okay. Exit. So this will be the front view. Now we are left with making the threads. So we will make this thread profile over here. So for thread profile, go to plane, go to offset from plane, select this top, and here take a minus 2.5, the offset of minus 2.5 for new plane generation, and OK. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and select this outer circle. Escape. Now finish sketch, go to 3D sketch and now go to helical curve, select this midpoint and select the side plane. Click here. OK. Now we will define the dia as 28 mm, the pitch of 3 mm and revolution of 2.5 and apply. OK. Now finish sketch and select this plane to right click, turn off its visibility. Select this sketch 8 also, turn off its visibility. Now we are left with the coil profile. Go to plane, select this point and select this coil profile. So it will generate a new plane on starting of this coil. Select this plane, go to create sketch and here go to project geometry and project this starting point. OK, and escape. Now go to line command, make a thread profile. OK, escape. Go to line once again, select this green point, the center point of this line, and select this green point. Escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select this line, go to vertical constraint, select this. OK, it is already constrained. Now go to dimension. The smaller dimension here will be 1.25 and this side dimension will be 2 mm. OK, and this dimension here will be 1.1. So this will be the dimensions. Escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now go to coincident constraint, select this point and select this starting of this coil. Now it is fully defined. Finish sketch and go to sweep command. So this will be the profile and for path select coil. Here we will select join and OK. OK. So this will be the profile. This will be the starting point. Rotate. OK. Select this, right click, turn off its visibility. Go to home. Now go to defaults and from here we will give it a color. OK, I'll take Inventor Material Library. And here I'll take blue glossy. So this will be the color of the bottle. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a plastic bottle in Autodesk Inventor using the surfacing commands. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.